Are you intrigued by the prospect of earning a full-time income online in less than a month? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to Passive Affiliate Profits, a step-by-step program designed to help anyone potentially achieve this goal in 27 days or less. Without any need for your own products, website, or previous experience, we provide all the training, tools, resources, and mentorship required to generate high-ticket commissions with a semi-passive, two-step business model. At its core, passive affiliate profits are all about promoting products or services from other companies. This is done through unique affiliate links that track the sales generated from your referrals. When someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission, a percentage of the sale. The magic of this business model is the passive aspect. This comes into play once your marketing strategy, content, or platform is optimized in a way that continually attracts potential customers and generates sales without constant active involvement. Techniques can range from creating evergreen content, utilizing email marketing sequences, or leveraging automation tools. However, it's critical to remember that achieving a truly passive income from affiliate marketing often requires significant upfront effort. You need to build an audience, establish trust, and fine-tune your promotional methods. It's not a journey to overnight success and may involve ongoing adjustments to maintain and improve your earnings over time. Now, let's delve into some of the benefits of passive affiliate profits. Firstly, content creation. High-quality evergreen content such as blog posts, videos, or guides can attract organic traffic over time. If your content is well optimized for search engines and provides value to readers, it can continually drive affiliate sales without constant updates. Secondly, email marketing. Building an email list allows you to send targeted promotions to your subscribers. By setting up automated email sequences that showcase relevant products, you can generate sales on an ongoing basis. Thirdly, social media. A strong presence on social media platforms can lead to passive income through affiliate marketing. By consistently sharing valuable content and affiliate offers, you can attract followers who may make purchases through your links. Fourthly, SEO optimization. By focusing on search engine optimization, your content can rank well in search engine results. This can result in a steady flow of organic traffic and affiliate conversions without needing constant attention. Fifthly, niche authority. Becoming an authority in a specific niche allows you to establish trust with your audience. As people see you as a credible source of recommendations, they're more likely to make purchases through your affiliate links. Finally, automated tools. These can be used to automate various aspects of your affiliate marketing efforts, making it a semi-passive income stream. In summary, passive affiliate profits is a viable way to potentially earn a full-time income online in less than a month. With the right guidance and effort, it's possible to set up a semi-passive income stream that continues to generate high-ticket commissions. It's time to embark on this exciting journey towards financial freedom.